Easy, old friend. You lost a lot of energon. Good and bad.
I didn't intend to hurt anyone. I just wanted so badly to...
Help us. We know. But you nearly caused the loss of something irreplaceable. Our medic and a most trusted friend. You did lead us to a much-needed energon supply. And for that, we should all be thankful.
The synthetic energon formula clearly needs refining before it can be tested again. On machines, not Autobots.
Let us take comfort in the fact that you were able to dispose of the quantity that remained.